Your business does not exist if you do not have a business certificate. You cannot open a bank account, register for SNET, help in the development of your country through taxes, and enjoy many opportunities available to registered businesses.
Labor, not laziness. Lend a hand's wage. Lend a hand's wage. About it, no two ways. And if hunger they come at all, who cares? Cause buffer day, plenty day. It's buffer day, even in a rainy day. Cause buffer day, plenty day. It's buffer day, even in rainy days. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala.
The right bank is the businessman's best friend and partner for great advice, for funds, and for getting things done the proper way. With the right bank by your side, your business can grow from strength to strength.
Solutions, Rukuna or sell the solutions, man. Ododio, Mama Perro, Mama Carente, Mama Balanchante, Bunyolia, Mama Balanchante, Bunyolia.
To be a good citizen, you must pay taxes to ensure the building of roads, railways, bridges, hospitals, schools, and the like.
Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala. Solutions, Brahman Koda.
What is this? So many bubbles and this crooked. Oh dear. What is all this? It cost of money to redo all this thing again. Bubbles, this. Oh. Workmen, just can't trust them.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
What is it?
Can't you see? Everything is wrong. The bubbles on there, the stem is supposed to be painted white, everything is crooked. I just don't get it.
Baby, your eye for excellence just amazes me.
No, excellence for everything, my dear. Excellence. I have to get it.
I hear you.
Anyway, how did your meeting go?
Perfect. Solutions is officially in business.
Yes. Let me show you something inside. Come.
What did you do?
Fixed everything. Tall is white, black is tall.
Oh my God. Mama, you sure you've outdone yourself?
You haven't seen anything yet. I'm just warming up, you know. Yeah.
Baby, what can beat this?
Oh, wait till you see your office. Andre.
Amazing.
I want to give our clients a pleasantly exciting experience. When they come here.
Come here, baby.
Oh no, let me check on that guy before he breaks that thing.
Okay. Yes. Now let's do some work. Oh my God. A business, like any worthwhile venture, must be planned. Without a business plan, the odds are stacked up against you.
Ma, what are you doing?
Planning, my son. Life is all about planning. Right now, as you can see, I am checking all the items that sold most and brought us more profit. so we can stock more of those.
Trust you, Ma.
That's my son.
Baby. Well, here you go. All of your business documents, right there.
Don't we make a deadly team?
Boss Ghana is here. So, come here, baby. Let everyone beware.
Yes, come in.
Sorry, woman they find you. Saying name be Aquile.
Excellent. 2 o'clock sharp. It's the front desk ladies. I gave them 2 p.m. Put that away, I'll be back. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Aquile, right?
Yes, please.
Can I offer you some water?
Yes, please.
Right, have a seat.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ma, what you count to be sure?
You are a smart boy. It's true you must always check stock, but there is also honesty. See, in business, you have to look for honest and hard-working people to work with. If you deal with honest people, you don't always have to check.
You mean you must be honest yourself?
Exactly, my son. Oh, Kofi, let's go inside.
Solutions,
You're welcome.
Where's your boss?
And who may I say is calling?
Shirley Owusu, I'm here for an interview.
Very well. Please come with me.
Hello.
Ready?
Yep.
Are you all in?
They are. Come, let's start with a group interview.
Ama, you have that mischievous smile on your face. What do you have up your sleeves?
Prejudice. I'm afraid I've already made my choice.
How?
Female instincts. And I'm praying you make the same choice. Wait, let me just... Let's go.
Thank you.
Hello. Are you okay then?
Oh, Mama sweet. Mama sweet. These days, your service is up there. Oh. Anytime I come here, I see something new.
I've been taking your advice.
Ah, Madam Ama. Oh, she's an angel.
Yes. Stop. If you ask me, I think she's a little too bossy.
Ah, what are you talking about?
Haven't you seen the way she have carried herself and she be giving orders anyhow? I pity Ama for her husband.
Eh?
She will sit on his head.
Why? You be so your wife they do you? Me, I rather admire her. She's my ideal kind of woman. Assertive, intelligent, and humble.
See who they find ideal woman.
Masakuma diploma. Men gossiping like this.
Oh, Mama, sweet.
Sweet, Mama.
Bring more people where
Oh,
yes.
Mama, sweet.
All right, ladies, meet Mr. Kofi Ganah. Kofi is the MD of Solutions. We've already met. My name is Ama Ganah. I'm the technical director of Solutions. Kofi is the boss, and I'm his vessel.
She means wife. Ama is my wife. The real deal. Ladies, you're welcome to Solutions. Would you please introduce yourselves?
Well, my name is Akwele Patterson, and I'm here to take up a job as a front desk manager.
I'm Shirley Owusu. I'm here for the interview.
My name is Doreen Nelson. I'm also here for the interview.
I'll get some water.
Okay.
Hello? Who cries this? Who are you? Look, I'm very busy. Why? Before why? You know what? I'm busy. I'll call you back, okay? Yes, I'm very busy. I'll call you back.
Thank you.
Thank you, Han. Well, ladies.
Hello? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Look, I'll call you back. Whatever.
Tracy, please bring me a drink.
Oh, this is going to look good. Well done. Solution.
You're welcome, madam.
Thank you. Tracy, who are they?
Yes, ma'am. It belongs to a couple.
Oh.
They are a business advisory. And the lady who left this said she'll be back. They are in the neighborhood.
I think I like them already. They've definitely got style. They have some interesting affairs here as well. I think I'll go talk to them. I need a business plan.
Business plan?
Yeah.
For what?
You want to plan a business in Ghana?
Not lie.
Oh, me want that. What kind of negativity is that? Look, all the big companies you see today worldwide were like this some time ago. In fact, it is common sense. If you want to do anything well, you have to plan for it. Without a business plan, your business remains in your head.
Nah.
Miranda, I'm not insulting you. Sister, wake up and smell the coffee. I'm just saying it as it is. You cannot be part of the so-called global village if you are not tuned in.
Okay, Prof. I concede. We'll go together. Maybe it might even help my loan application.
Better. Let's do it.
Well, Ladies, if you will indulge my very final question, where do you see yourselves in the next 5 years?
Akole answered the last question. Shirley, do you want to begin the session?
Okay. In the next 5 years, I intend running my own business.
Interesting. I'm sure I would like to take your business off you when you start.
Yes, and are you, Doreen?
Well, I hope to be finishing my master's soon because I intend to go back to school in 3 years' time.
Well, school is good. School is very good. Yes, Akwele.
5 years. Well, that's even the medium term. Everything being equal. I see myself working with an upwardly mobile firm with global ambition, with a work ethic that puts people first. And I pray its solutions.
Well, I'm into that.
Amen.
Akole, what do you mean by putting people first?
You see, ensuring the growth, welfare, and productivity of staff is very, very important and key. Not forgetting that we have the job of making sure that we put the client or the customer first.
Well said.
How much is this?
This is 5,000.
Huh?
Yes.
What about the big one?
That one is 10,000.
Oh no, it's too expensive. I can't buy it.
Auntie Fremuma, don't go.
You are my customer. Are you going to reduce them? Yes, I will. Okay. I want 2 of the big ones and then 1.
Okay.
So I'll send my son to come and pick one tomorrow. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Why is that woman so difficult, Mom?
You don't miss anything, do you?
No.
You must learn this. The customer is always right. You see that woman who just left? Auntie Frimpoma. She's rather picky. That makes it a little difficult to satisfy her. However, she is a heavy and consistent shopper. She brings in a lot of business. So, what do? You pamper her.
Hi, Mama, you have tricks, so...
You know.
Well, ladies, we appreciate you coming through. Thank you so much. I'm sure we'll get back to you by close of day tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all very much for coming.
Solutions, Solutions,
Well, hello there. Welcome to Solutions.
Thank you.
And how may we help you?
You can start by helping me pick my front desk manager.
Come on, honey. That's a no-brainer. Definitely Aquile.
Yes! Oh! I knew it from the very moment she walked right through that door. She's such a natural, yet so prompt.
There's something homely professional about her.
You know what? I'll check her references, and if everything checks out well, I'll send her an offer via email, and she can start tomorrow.
Perfect.
Yes.
Sharp.
Ooh, I love this place.
Hello.
Oh, I love this place.
Thank you. We're still putting finishing touches to it, though.
The colors, the designs, everything is so well matched. Anyway, I'm Kofi, and this is my friend Miranda. I make clothes. My shop is just across the street. Miranda is a supplier. I saw your brochure, and seriously, my business needs a makeover.
Then you have come to the right place. My name is Kofi Ganah, and over here is my very lovely wife, Alma. She works wonders. She's a magician.
Then you're a very lucky man.
I am.
Don't listen to Kofi. He's the real deal. I just provide the front or the package, if you may.
The package is as good as what's inside.
Fact. Ladies, come on, let's have a seat.
Sure.
Ladies, anything to drink? Water, hot chocolate?
Thank you. Some cold water will be fine.
The hot chocolate sounds tempting.
I'll be right up.
Well, safe to assume that you've already seen our brochures.
Yes. And you have some very interesting offers here. Can you please lead us through them?
Certainly. I am at your service. But before that, I want us to do a little exercise. Okay. That is for you, and that is for you, a pen for you, and a pen for you. Please, take as many as you can on that sheet, and you can keep the pens in remembrance of us. I'll be with you shortly.
You are so right about these people. They have so much style.
Not only that, they are very efficient as well. Have you seen how they work together?
Yeah.
Wow. Let's see what we got here. These guys are thorough.
Our very first customers, we have to make it work. Go ahead, go. What do you think? Work it.
Poor lady. Kofi has already taken you to school.
No problem. This is just what we need.
The hot chocolate? The water.
Thank you.
Let me see how you're getting on.
Father, let this be the first of many good deals to come our way. Let solutions thrive and be a game changer. Amen.
You have 15 apprentices? Yeah. Way to go, girl. Good job.
How are you ladies doing?
We're fine. You have 2 strong ladies here.
Are we through then?
Sort of. Just a few blanks to go.
Forget about the blank spaces. That is why we are here, to help you fill out the blank spaces. Okay, good. So, the first part of the questionnaire that you have, well, as beautiful as you look, you should have a perfect score, 10-10. That's okay. You're going to have to mark yourself, so there's no problem. Okay. The second part is going to help me know what direction to direct your business towards. Okay? Are you ready now? Okay. Good. Let's do this. So.
Solutions.
Mama Kande.
My daughter, I brought you food.
Oh, we've been so busy, we totally forgot about lunch. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Where is he?
He's with some clients in the conference room. I'll take you on the tour the next time you come, okay?
Oh, it shall be well.
Thank you.
Hey, I want you to train my sister for me. Okay. My sister Ketuano. Hey, Otontuma Omakola. Ne capital no so adwuma no akoso ti pese o train no man. Ombra mbehu. Don't find it down for you na mbra.
That reminds me, I have something to show you. So please take a seat. I'll be with you in a minute. Okay? Yes.
Okay. day. Kabangida, just like home.
Mama Kandi. That's exactly how we want people to feel whenever they come here. So let's see your sign. So this is the day. All this. And this is the night. So the lights will all be shining when it's night time.
Wee! Now good day.
You're
now good day home.
Mama Kandi. You're welcome.
Wait.
It's nice.
Well, now that assessment is over, I can develop solutions to your unique needs. And if you like the prescription, I'll go ahead and draw up an agreement.
What about fees? You say they are staggered with a big discount, I hope.
Exactly. We spread it over the period of engagement. We want to make it as painless as possible.
What did I miss?
You, my dear, you missed the making of the deal. But trust me, you are in time for the handshakes. To a mutually beneficial and rewarding business relationship.
Let it be.
Everybody plan to run business. Research it there for ICT. Oh yes, it go make your yield plenty, not less. Prosperity, no poverty, plenty property, yes. Working on the land, labor, not laziness. Lend a hand's wage, lend a hand's wage. About it, no two ways. And if hunger become a toll, who cares? Cause buffer day, plenty day. Cause buffer day, even if it rainy day.